How to clean vomit from a mattress by Mark's Mattress Cleaning. Vomit issue. Sometimes because of health issues, you will vomit several times a day. In such worst cases, you will end up in vomiting on the mattress often. It is not an easy job to get rid of that bad odor and stains from your mattress. Step 1. Take the vomit out. You will have to take the vomit out of the mattress immediately using a paper plate or a wastecloth. Wash the bedspreads and pillow covers neatly in the washing machine. Use the highest temperature possible in the machine to easily kill the germs and bacteria present. Step 2. Spray a little bit of liquid detergent on the mattress. After removing the bed cover, spray a little bit of liquid detergent on the mattress and let it dry for a few hours. Do not rub the stained area with detergent, rubbing may spread the stain. Try blotting the liquid from the mattress using paper or cloth. Step 3. Sprinkle the baking soda powder. To get rid of that unpleasant odor, you can use baking soda. Sprinkle the baking soda powder on the stained area and then leave it for a few minutes. If you do not have baking soda at home, then you can also use cornstarch to clean the mattress. Step 4. Use the vacuum cleaner. After applying the baking soda, you can leave it on the mattress even overnight. You can use a vacuum cleaner to clean the mattress in a very proper manner the next day. If you do not have a vacuum cleaner to clean, you can also sweep the powder off from the mattress. Step 5. Use white vinegar and water to clean the mattress. Mix equal parts of white vinegar and water and pour it in a spray bottle. Spray the mixture on the stains and clean it by blotting or tapping but not rubbing. If the stains are very worst, you can also use liquid dishwashing soap to clean the stains. You can repeat the same process continues until the stain goes completely. Hiring professionals for mattress cleaning. Mattress is cleaned rarely, thus when it gets vomit stain it will be necessary to get cleaned with the help of professionals. Professionals are highly skilled and experienced in the service. The professional's service is safe and long-lasting. Thanks for watching. Contact Mark's Mattress Cleaning. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel.